Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing storage and turning on Windows built-in backup. Plug in an external HDD or Mappa NAS. Make sure it has 1.5 times your used space. Then open Settings, go to Update and Security, choose Backup, and click Add a Drive. Once done, enable File History and immediately pick which folders to include and which to exclude. This gets continuous, versioned copies of documents, desktop, pictures, so you can recover recent edits without a full system image. Next, you handle full system protection by creating a system image. Open Control Panel, select Backup and Restore Windows 7, and choose Create a System Image. Pick the external drive or network share and ensure system and recovery partitions are included so Windows is bootable after restore. Once the image completes, create a regular schedule. Either configure Task Scheduler to run wbadmin or rely on File History for frequent file copies. Make sure you label images with dates, because that makes restores faster and less error-prone. Finally, you verify backups and prepare for recovery. Mount a recent system image or restore a few files from File History to confirm integrity. Do not skip this. Then create a USB recovery drive through Recovery. Create a recovery drive so you can boot and repair Windows. If something goes wrong, check the backup drive for free space and disk errors, verify account permissions for the backup share, and run chkdsk or Smart Diagnostics. These steps solve most failures quickly and keep your backups reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.